Yep, Cupcake's excited to be outside. Prince, come on. Slowpoke. He loves to be outside, but he always waits a minute. Make sure it's okay. Here he comes. You guys want to go for a walk? I got the two coolest cats in the world, in my opinion. So today's video is going to be a very, very special video. It's unlike any other video I've done. It's going to be a 2-in-1 video, meaning there'll be a second video following the first one. Welcome to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to walk with the cats, and I'll give you some pointers on how we do this. Rule number 1 would be safety. Make sure they're safe and nearby. They walking? He's fascinated with the hose for some reason. Prince. Alright, Cupcake. These little miniature wild black raspberries. Pretty good. Where are we out to now? Oh, there's one little blueberry on there. Well, hopefully next year I get some more blueberries. Just kind of started this out this year. We'll see how this develops. But we'll have some golden raspberries hopefully soon, if something doesn't get them. So this is poison ivy in here. Look at the berries. There's actually berries on poison ivy, if you did not know. This one has a lot of them. Trumpet vine growing up in here. A lot of trumpet vine through here. Too hot out for you, isn't it? Well, let's go jump in the lake, huh? Don't think we can get him in the lake, but he'll at least come down to it. Perennial sweet pea blooms for the longest time, it seems like. It's been out here for weeks. So you might wonder, how do you get your cats to walk with you? I think I just kind of lucked out. They're both very special animals. Ultimately, I take good care of them, I think, and you know, you have to interact with them. You know, obviously I feed them good, take them to the vets, give them the proper flea medication to be out here and supervise them. You know, it's all about the safety with these two. I think if you engage with your cats, you know, much like you do with dogs, they will come around and you can train him. This was an instant to get him to walk. And Cupcake, he just followed me everywhere around from the get-go. I think as long as you engage with them, you know, they'll walk and kind of talk to you a little bit. Happy birthday, Prince. Here with the birthday boy. Yeah. Okay. Now we're giving him a little bit of an early morning birthday treat here. Getting him out here on a walk. Favorite thing to do. So this is a monarch butterfly. So far, these grapes are making it here. I don't know how. So the wine making grapes, of course, bit the dust, and the seedless edible Canadice grapes that I have they're gonna be good. They're gonna be good if nothing gets to them. Happy birthday, Prince. How old are you? You're not that old. I was going by his tail flaps, but he's definitely claiming he's way old, or maybe in cat years. Are you going by cat years? Cupcake, what'd you find? What was in the bushes? He ran off from us. With safety comes preventative measures. You know, I use Revolution Plus. Give it to them every month. So to get to that, you're going to need to obviously make sure you take your cat to the vet every year. So the Revolution Plus is great for keeping fleas, ticks, mites away, as well as internal parasites like worms and whatnot. So costs about $1 a day on average per cat, but gives me some peace of mind, you know. What you zeroing in on, Cupcake? Something's up there. Something got her attention. So the heartworm, how does that get into cats and other animals? Well, it comes from the bite of an infected mosquito, which transmits this microscopic larvae, and it just takes off from there. So the Revolution Plus is great for heartworm prevention. This is wild geranium all through here. Kind of invasive through here. Prince. So it's a hot one today. We're out here watering. So biggest thing with, you know, cats, getting them to walk with you and interact with you is you kind of got to lead the way, and they're always like my number one priority when I get home. You have to interact with them. You know, like when I come home, they feel like they're the center of the universe because I greet them, and I think that really helps. You know, you have to interact with your cats, and, you know, less time on the phone and more time interacting with them is a great start. So these, you know, tips I'm giving you are just tips. They're not necessarily 100% going to work for you and your cats, but it's a good starting point. You know, I tried leashes, and cats don't want to be on a leash, and yeah, you just kind of got to work with them, meet them halfway, I guess. I think why they follow me around so much is because I constantly interact with them. So they always feel like they got to be a part of something. Hey, buddy. You're like, don't spray me with that hose. But yeah, you don't necessarily need to, you know, always use treats or whatever to, you know, get an animal to learn new things. At least from my experience. But they're both pretty good cats. So anyways, I hope some of these tips and pointers can help you out. Happy training. If you like this, please hit that subscribe button. And you'll see more of Prince and Cupcake here. Thank you so much. Hope to catch you on the next one. welcome to video number 2. It's Prince's birthday, so we thought we'd do a little birthday tribute video. And we've just taken a bunch of the best of Prince clips and put it in a video here. So, hope you enjoy. The little guy of the hour has arrived. Birthday boy. So this guy loves for me to carry him and go for walks. Prince, you and that Rosemary. Where are we off to now? Oh, now we're gonna roll in the mud. You finally smell good, now you're gonna roll around in the mud. Here's his sister cupcake. Prince found the Rosemary again. Prince are actually sitting still. Not for long. Off he goes again. Hey, buddy. It's the Prince. Mr. Prince. Prince. You love that planner for some reason. Hi, Prince. Let's go boil some sap. He walks better than a dog, doesn't he? Most people can't get their dog to walk like this. Hey, Prince. 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 Oh, you rang the bell. You rang my little wind bell. Look at him. Anything to get attention, huh? Yeah, say hi to the camera. He says no. He's a goofball. Today we got a lot to do around. We got a lot of work to do. Prince, say hi. Wow. Prince says, welcome to the channel. What does he have here? Some maple syrup. What are you doing with this maple syrup over here? Walk again? Yeah, he just walks everywhere with me. Very vocal little guy. Aren't you? He always has an answer or a response. Oh, you two follow me everywhere, don't you? What are you doing there? My gosh. How can I get anything done? You don't care if I get anything done, do you? Prince. Prince, we got a lot of work to do. We ain't got time to chit-chat here. Hey, buddy. Enjoying the weather. Not too bad out tonight. Where are we off to, Prince? go hiking. Come on, guys, we gotta go plant a garden. Let's go plant a garden. Today we're gonna get out here and plant our garden this year. And I got the two little helpers coming along. So this is the little dryer drum here. You want to help, Prince? Prince. Hi, buddy. Off to the picnic table, huh? Hi, Cupcake. Our favorite scratch post. We're not going to have a garden left after you get done with that. What are you eating rosemary for? I don't think you should be eating rosemary, Mr. Prince. So I just Googled it. He can have rosemary. I don't want him to have all of it. Which, Prince, you're going to destroy my plant here. Prince. It smells pretty good, doesn't it? That's your cologne. Prince. Hey, let's go find a squirrel or a chipmunk or something. Come on, buddy. We'll have to put this somewhere else for you. Alright, this is going to be a problem. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mr. Prince.